Hi guys, just to introduce myself a little before we jump into this, my name is Haley. I turned 20 this year and I'm enrolled in this class to work towards my business degree. This opportunity was amazing and it was so humbling and it opened a lot of doors for me and I'm glad I get to share my story with you guys. This semester we were responsible for collecting 15 hours of community service. This was called the SLP, aka Service Learning Project. This project was assigned to help us not only draw a connection between our experience and what we have learned throughout the semester, but it also gave us an opportunity to help get our feet wet with helping our community. The first half of my service hours I spent at the annual Into the Light Walk. This was on the 21st of September and I was only there from the early afternoon to dusk. But really it was an all-day event and activities could be done all day. There were several stations with a bunch of various things to do. It was awesome. This event was not only put on for the ones battling cancer, but for also the ones that we've lost and the ones that have survived. This event not only lifts the spirits up of others, but also helps raise money for those who need it. Between medical expenses and the money spent traveling to important appointments, these funds can really make hard times easier for some. When I first got there, I decorated luminaries. The luminaries were paper bags decorated in a way to honor their survivor or lost ones. You could put whatever you wanted on the outside, flowers, penguins, favorite baseball team, anything you wanted that would honor them. We decorated these beautifully, and then when you put the candle inside, it would illuminate all the decorations and the images that were on the bags, and those just lit up the night, and it was beautiful. There were also silent auctions where we would sell tickets, and you could put the ticket on the spot of the desired item. There were a couple things. There were a lot of awesome donations made from companies that are local, like pizza for a year or personal flights that Tom would do. Many local companies donated to our event to help raise money for those in need during the hard times. There was also a luminary walk set up at the ending part of the event. We set hundreds and hundreds of luminaries out, and the families and friends of the survivors and loved ones gather around and admire the luminaries and honor them for the person they stand for. We already discussed the luminaries, but I also ran a concession stand for a part of the day. There were grilled hot dogs, chips, donuts, cookies, popcorn, drinks, anything you can think of, it was there. And they were all donation-based, so whoever came in line could take whatever they wanted, but they were just asked to donate whatever they would like. The part I really enjoyed was this because I'm a server and it was just second-hand nature to me, and I was helping out, so it was efficient for everyone. Honestly, this was a really humbling experience. Almost all of us can think of family members that have battled or even still battling cancer right now. It was heartwarming to be able to raise the money for people who needed it and to make friends that I can almost consider family now. At the end of my time, I grew close with a guy named Tom. His wife had been a teacher at my school, but now they're actually regulars at my work. Tom and Sue are some of the nicest people, and they actually introduced me to the walk itself. And after the walk, Tom knew I needed some more hours for this class, so he offered to let me help him with the airport lights out on Lake Isabella. The airport is just community driven, and it's a lot of retired pilots that have built homes out there, and that's just what they do for fun and enjoyment. To have someone come in and fix the lights there, it would have cost tens of thousands of dollars, but Tom and I were able to achieve it for only the cost of the materials. They needed change because the lights that were there right now, that were there previously, were like Christmas lights. They were the size of like a ping pong ball, and you could barely see them from the sky. And the ones that we had installed were over 4 times the size. We had to dig a foot of dirt up and drive a pole into the ground, and then we had to recircuit the entire electricity in each post, and there were like 60 of them. And next we had to install a PVC post and attach light bulbs and covers. And this took a lot of time, and it was very cold. But at the end of the day, we knew it was worth it. There were a bunch of pilots that weren't going out because they just couldn't see the lights and it was dangerous. And this way we got to get them back out there, and for a fraction of the price. Really, this entire experience was awesome for me. the people I met during both of my community service hours had given me the opportunity to get my pilot's license. So not only did I help the community, but the community helped me. It was really a life-changing experience, and I will continue to do the Light the Way walk every single year. They actually asked me back to decorate the stage for next year, so if anybody wants to help out, just let me know and I can give you guys details. But have a good day. Thank you for watching.